Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the musical snippet function in Google Slides, and this also works in Google Docs. I've just gone in and selected a pitched staff, and you see I have here the regular musical staff, and I'm able to interact with this in order to put a composition. So for example, I could click and select a different beat, and then once I select one of these beats, it gives me the little note head, and wherever I click, it will put a note. So I could just click here, and then as soon as I get to the end, it'll give me another one. And I can change the note value. As soon as I click on a different value, it'll put in the corresponding rest. So as soon as I clicked on half, it created a half rest. But if I click on that, it'll give me a note. So if I want to break this into quarter notes, I can click quarter and it'll break it. And whichever value I click on, it'll break the beat down into that value. And then if I click back, it'll work its way back. So if I want to have something like this, now I can go do some eighth notes, some faster notes. And then maybe I want to go back to quarter notes. We want to go back to eighth notes. And now I wanted to actually put this note here, so I can click back. Oh, I can make a mess, And I'm just going to use my arrow keys on my keyboard, and I'm just going to use the backspace to delete those extra notes. So sometimes you get a little bit messed up, but you could just use your arrow keys and try and do the right thing to get yourself back to where you want. Now I'm going to select this beat again. I'm going to use the arrow key, and I'm going to want to put a half note here. And now we can finally listen to our song. I'm just going to click at the beginning and hit play. And obviously you can experiment around and come up with any composition you'd like. It's going to be a little bit tricky to use at first, but just give it a shot. It'll make more sense as you go. It's all about experimentation. Once your snippet is ready to go, you can put it into the Google Doc by just clicking Insert. So when you click Insert, it will take a second, but it will put your snippet into the slide or Google Doc, whatever you're in. And then you can move it or resize it. This is basically the same as an image now. So it's treated the same as an image. So you can do anything with this that you can do with an image. And what you can also do is you can actually edit this and listen to it again. What you need to do is you click on it, you go back to your add-ons, back to Flat for Docs, and click Insert Musical Snippet again. And as long as it's selected, when you click on that, it will open it back up and you can listen to it again. And if I wanted to, I can make a change. So I could change it like this. And now I've made this change. And if I click Edit, it will insert the new version with my change. So that's how you use the Flat for Docs snippet.